Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Boho Rainbow Lamp is probably one of the most enchanting and whimsical additions you can make to your home decor, casting a warm, dreamy glow that instantly elevates any room's ambience and brings a touch of playful magic to your living space, making it a truly captivating centerpiece. Number 5. Philips Hue Go Portable Smart Light. Introducing the Philips Hue Go, a portable smart light designed to bring beautiful illumination anywhere. It offers endless possibilities for light customization on the go. Enjoy up to 3 hours of wireless lighting without needing a charge. This portable lamp gives you the freedom to create the perfect ambience wherever you are. With 16 million colors and shades of white, you can create a personal light show for any occasion. Set the mood effortlessly with vibrant or subtle lighting. Control your lighting easily with the button on the product itself. For more advanced features, connect it to the Hue Hub and use the Philips Hue app. This smart light works seamlessly with voice assistants like Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Assistant. Simply use your voice to control your lighting. Integrate it into your existing smart home ecosystem. It pairs perfectly with other Hue accessories and smart home devices for a fully automated experience. What we like? This lamp offers ultimate portability and smart home integration. If you love to move your lighting around your home or take it outdoors, and want seamless voice control with your existing smart home setup, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who appreciate flexibility and advanced features. What people say. It has a small rectangular bar on the back of the case that allows the light to sit upright, at an angle, so the 6-inch face of the light points upward at approximately a 45-degree angle. The plus side, the power cable is about 6.5 feet long. The Philips Hue Go Portable Dimmable LED Smart Light is a marvel of modern lighting. It's a portable, versatile, and smart solution for anyone looking to add a touch of light and style to their life. Number 4. 360 Lighting Bohemian Traditional Chic Accent Table Lamp. Introducing a stylish accent table lamp that brings a bohemian, traditional, and chic vibe to any room. Its unique design adds a decorative touch to your living space. Elevate your bedside with this lamp, blending coastal charm and modern design. Its unique base offers a decorative touch, perfect for creating ambience with a beachy vibe. Add a touch of charm to smaller areas like your kitchen counter or entryway. Its blended tones complement modern decor, ideal for a beachy or cottage-inspired space. This lamp features a beautiful stacked glass base with a scalloped glass bottom and multicolor glass segments. A teal-blue bell lamp shade completes the elegant look. Illuminate your side table or end table with this bohemian lamp, bringing warmth and style. Its design is perfect for adding a boho touch to entryways or creating a cozy atmosphere. This lamp is UL listed and stands 21 inches high. It uses one standard 60-watt bulb and features an easy on-off switch located on the socket. What we like? This lamp brings a unique bohemian charm with its colorful stacked glass. If you're looking to add a whimsical and artistic touch to a smaller space like a bedside table or a child's room, this is an excellent option. Its playful design makes it perfect for creating a cheerful and inviting atmosphere. What people say. The electric cord is clear, which is nice because it's less noticeable, and also it is plenty long enough to reach the outlet I need to plug this lamp into. The deep purple lamp shade adds a nice warm glow to the room and is comfortable on the eyes. Nice weight to this lamp as well, so it's very well made. Number 3. DEMMEX Turkish Moroccan Mosaic Floor Lamp, 9 globes. Experience authentic craftsmanship with this lamp, meticulously handmade in Turkey for use anywhere in the world. It features 9 breathtaking mosaic globes that cast a beautiful, colorful light. The antique brass finish adds a touch of classic elegance. Standing at an impressive 6 feet tall, this lamp makes a grand statement in any room. Its substantial width ensures it's a focal point. Transform your space with its warm and colorful ambience. It's perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere in your living room, bedroom, or entryway. This lamp is designed to use E12 bulbs in North America and E14 bulbs in the UK and Europe. Please note that bulbs are not included. What we like? This floor lamp is a stunning statement piece with its intricate mosaic globes and impressive height. If you want to create a dramatic and exotic ambience in your living room or entryway, this handmade lamp is the perfect fit. It's ideal for those who appreciate artisanal craftsmanship and bold, colorful decor. What people say. beautiful, bright and colorful lamp that lights up the room better than I thought it would. The lamp is somewhat heavy, and it is very stable on low-pile carpet. Assembly was a breeze. The lamp is beautifully handmade. All 9 globes I purchased match perfectly and are solid, well made. The lamp stand and metals are all sturdy. Number 2. Tripod Bedside Desk Table Lamp Boho Rainbows. This lamp features a unique tripod wood base, making it incredibly sturdy and stable. It combines a solid wood base with a flax lampshade, softening the light to create a warm and comfortable atmosphere for your evenings. Measuring 14.57 inches high, this lamp is designed to fit perfectly on small tables and in compact rooms. It's an excellent choice for nurseries, dorms, or any area needing a touch of light. It offers 16 different lighting effects to suit your needs. Whether you need it for bedside use, decoration, a warm mood, or bright reading and work, it has you covered. Its elegant and sleek look can enhance the aesthetic of any room. It's suitable for various spaces like bedrooms, offices, kids' rooms, and even cafes. The power cord and plug are UL listed for safety, and it comes with an easy-to-use on OFF switch. Installation is straightforward, and it even includes a bulb. This stylish lamp also makes a wonderful gift for your family and friends. Its versatile design and practical features are sure to be appreciated. What we like. This lamp features a stable tripod wood base and unique hand-drawn boho rainbow art. If you're looking for a stylish and sturdy lamp that adds a touch of artistic flair and a warm, comfortable glow to a nursery or bedroom, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for creating a cozy and visually appealing space. What people say. Included light bulb changes colors and the lamp looks beautiful. It's easy to assemble. I really like the LED light bulb it comes with and being able to change the color and brightness. Remote and color changing bulb were a hit. Number 1. LOGROTATE 3D Printing Moon Lamp. Introducing a unique night light designed for kids. Its realistic 3D printed surface mimics the moon, creating a peaceful environment to help them drift into a blissful slumber. This moon lamp features 16 vibrant RGB colors that can flash, fade, or strobe. Adjust the brightness to create a soft glow, perfect for a comfortable sleeping environment in any child's room. Easily change colors and brightness with the included remote or touch control. You can even set a timer for 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes, making it perfect for any occasion. Enjoy the freedom of a cordless design with its built-in rechargeable battery. Simply charge it via USB from any device, and you can even hold it in your hand. This versatile lamp serves as a comfortable night light and a beautiful decoration for bedrooms, parties, and more. It's a romantic and mysterious gift for friends and family on birthdays and holidays. What we like. This moon lamp offers a realistic 3D printed moon surface with customizable colors and controls. If you want a magical and interactive night light for a child's room or a unique decorative piece for parties and romantic settings, this is an excellent choice. Its versatility in color and control makes it a fun and engaging addition to any space. What people say. I love how many different colors that it has. The controller is perfect for her too. Great value at a great price. I also like that you can control the brightness of each color. The charge lasts forever on the dimmest setting and the remote provides easy access to all the different colors. It adds so much ambience to a dark corner. So many different colors and settings and brightness. Makes a great night light or just an overall fun light. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.